Hey there everybody, this is Devin with ChallengeMe, here to give you a quick tutorial on how to access the WZAPC Online Prize Challenge in ChallengeMe and how to get to the leaderboards, and also maybe some functionality around the filters that we have available on the leaderboards. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to click on the ChallengeMe app. It's going to take you to the main home feed. To get to the events, you want to click on the arena icon. This will pull up all the events that we have inside of ChallengeMe. For today, we're gonna be focused on the WZAPC Online Prize Challenge Individual. So what you wanna do to enter the event, you're gonna wanna click on the graphic that says Individual. So now we're inside of the event details. You can see the start time, the end time. On January 7th, 2020, at 10:59 p.m., the event will lock itself down and video submissions will no longer be accepted. So if you're in the running and if you're in first, second, or third place, your final video will be due by then, no exceptions. If you go below here, you'll see all the sponsors here that have participated in providing an amazing prize pack for all different divisions. Check out WZAPrizes.com for more details. And below that, we start getting into the workouts. Workout 1, Workout 2, Workout 3. To see the leaderboards for any of these workouts, you just click on the little podium icon here on the bottom right of each workout. This pulls up the leaderboard. This is the main leaderboard for Workout 1. So to see a submission, all you have to do, I'm going to click on this Zach Ibra, number 6. He had 395 reps. I see that the community voted up two times and vote him down 2 times. So I'm going to click here, and every single listing should have video verification. So I can play the video, I can skip ahead, I can look at different parts, but that is going to be for a different tutorial. I'm going to go back and I'm going to focus on the leaderboard filter features. So I can filter by showing only the males. Now this is showing only the males. I can say only the females. Now that's only the females. I can also sort by age group and division. So I can do preteen, I could do 16 and 17-year-olds, all the age divisions that we have, 18 to 34. So you could just select these as you see them, and the system will automatically filter and show results based on those divisions. Once you have these filters set, you can also go back and just click this little icon all the way to the left, and that resets it to all divisions so you can see the leaderboard. So that's a quick tutorial on how to access the WZAPC Online Prize Challenge inside of ChallengeMe, and some of the leaderboard filters. Feel free to get in here and play around and look at the different workouts that we have listed that are a direct reflection of the WZAPC Online Qualifier. As a reminder, our challenge ends on January 7th. So that's both for individual and teams. If you are a team athlete looking at this, the same use case applies because it's the same layout. You'll see the sponsors, you'll see the workouts, and that's how you get to the leaderboards. So if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to info@challengemetraining.com, and one of our support staff will be happy to help you with your question or issue. Until then, good luck on your efforts to win our amazing cash and prize packages.